What's up, guys? So, got a little project on tonight. We are going to put the windshield in the Talon. First accessories go in the Talon. First, let me show you something. I got my boy Ethan here. This is Ethan. He's 13. Like stuffed animals. Walks on the beach.
What?
Flower. I'm just kidding. No, he's gonna help me out tonight. Probably in a few more or whatever coming forward. So Ethan, come over here. Let's take a look at what we got. So this is the windshield from Dirt Warriors Accessories. We sell it on our website, so check it out there. I'll put a link and whatnot to it to the description, but this is what it looks like before it goes on. We're gonna go through the process of taking it off or of putting it on. We're gonna have to remove a little bit of the roof and get it going. It is super easy. One of the questions that we get often on the website or through chat or whatever else is, does it come with instructions? It does, but you don't need the instructions. I mean, typical man stuff, but more than that, it's super easy. So we'll kind of set up and get started with it and go from here. All right, Ethan, come in here. Let me show you something. I'm gonna open the doors up. So first we gotta take this front part of the roof off. We just got to loosen it up so we can make sure we get the windshield up high enough. All it is removing the bolt right here, and then the bolt over here on the other side of the roof, and then we got to loosen this screw right here. So we got to, take that one off as well. So we just got to get those loosened up. So we do that real quick. Let me grab a Phillips real quick here, son. All right, and the tools you'll need for this are Phillips for the, do we even need a Phillips? We need a Phillips for putting it on. We don't need a Phillips for taking it off. Taking it off, you're just gonna need your Allen wrenches here. Let's pull the one in the middle off first. Champ, what do you think about the new rig, dude?
Sick.
Yeah? What do you like about it?
The colors and that we can jump it.
The colors and that we can jump it. All right, it's good to know, man.
And the stadium seating. That's a really great part.
Stadium seating's awesome too. Funny thing about the colors, man, if it's not light outside, like if it's not super bright, it kind of looks a little bit red, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this off. All right, perfect. Loosen up the roof here. Come on, little fella. Drop the bolt. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Here, take this side off. Oh, son of a gun. See if we can find that. Dang it. Where'd you disappear to, you little sucker? Man, there's a lot of room under the seats over here. Hadn't noticed that before.
Good to know.
Yeah, find some sort of waterproof storage option to put over there or something. Okay, and I must not have quite the right size. I need to get my metric ones instead of my standard ones. Are these standard? Yeah, these are standard. All right, so we got the bolts off on the front. Make sure the roof is nice and loose here. Yeah, we're good. So next thing we need to do is get the windshield lined up. Actually, first, before we do that, we need to put these clamps on. So the windshield comes with 4 of these clamps with the rubber piece around them. So get 4 of the, or 2 on each side, and we'll kind of go from there. So I'm gonna do everything I can not to scratch my pretty paint. Looks like I'm good there. And you'll want to get them kind of close to where you want them because they're not going to move real easy. So once they're tightened, they won't anyway. Okay, let's put these other two on the other side. Champ, you drove it the other day, dude. What do you think when you drove it?
It was really smooth.
Smooth?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we came from a Razor 4900. A lot of you guys already know that. This thing is like a Cadillac compared to that Razor.
Definitely.
It's butter smooth with the live valve suspension and everything else. So, all right. I'm going to attempt to do this myself. It's probably a job that's better done with two people, but I have a nice wide wingspan. I'll probably be able to get it up there just by myself. So, just want to stand it up. And then you want to lift it over and push it up nice and high. So, let's see here. Yep, we're about as high as we need to be here. Let me just confirm up here. And it's got a notch. Bring the camera under here, bud. Grab that light right there first. It's upside down.
Yeah.
So bring the camera under here and show them right up there. It's got this notch right here in the roof to go on the stock roofs to block it out or whatever. So we'll get it pushed up as high as we can, and then we'll get it loosely fit into place. This clamp's gonna go all the way up. Actually, would you look at that? What's going on here? So we only got one for this clamp down here. Where does that top clamp go? You going anywhere? Come over here to this side, bud. Let's take a look. Huh. That's interesting. Do we not even need the clamps for the top? Doesn't look like we do. I don't even think we need the clamps for the top. Remember what I said about not needing instructions? Maybe we do need instructions. For this one, let's see. I'm gonna get a loose fit in place here. Try to get this adjusted properly. Find the hole. Where's the hole? There's the hole. Okay. I'm not going to promise that that's where it goes. Kind of making some assumptions here. So let's go to the other side and see. It makes sense for that to be that way, but who knows? Okay. Where is the hole? Right there? Huh. Champ, grab the light over there.
I will.
I can kind of see it here, but let me get the light so you guys can see it better. So the windshield is designed to fit into these holes. So there's 3 holes right here on this. It's designed to fit in the middle hole there and the middle hole there. Either way, it took some finagling to get the bolts in. So now I'm gonna put these little nuts on, and hopefully once I get them all tightened down, it fits properly. So we'll see. There's not a ton of space in here for a socket, so you're gonna need an end wrench to put these on. Come on, little fella. Just thread on there. Just need a thread or two. There we go. Good. So I'm just kind of taking them a little at a time. I'm gonna use this to hold that. Get my end wrench up in there. And then go like this. Go over the other side, tighten the other side up a little bit. Let's see. those top bolts in, but it looks nice, man. I'm liking the look of it. Let me get the other side done, and then we'll kind of go through the windshield and show you its features and whatnot. So, let me get this over here. And these are all secured with these clamps here. What I'm doing on these, so these clamps, they come like not perfectly bent around the cage, and then when you wrap them around, you gotta sometimes you bend them out of shape a little bit. So you basically have to put it through without clamping the windshield on. You have to put it through and screw her down all the way to get it shaped around the cage. All right, there she goes. So before we, well, let's put the roof down, champ. How about that, huh? Let's take out our custom roof props here.
Yep.
Brought to you by Kirkland.
Huh? Ow.
That reminds me of having a monkey grab a banana in a box and not being able to get there. Are you a monkey trying to grab a banana in a box?
Hey, what?
Are you a monkey trying to grab a banana in a box?
Yes.
All right.
Except that's a roof, and I was trying to grab a water bottle.
Okay. Let's start with the ones on the, which one should we start with? Put those in there. Let's start with this one, which is in the middle. Go from here. Almost got my phone there, brother.
Ah.
What are you doing down the wrench? All right, let me take this from you, champ. Let's go through some of the kind of features and benefits of this windshield. So first, it is DOT glass. It does fit nice and close. Let me get rid of this light so you can actually see. It does fit nice and close to the frame there. The cool feature that we really like about these windshields is the adjustable vents on the bottom. So it's got these vents on the bottom that are adjustable. You basically come in here with your hands right here, and it's got this little nut, this little hand nut, whatever you want to call these things. You loosen it, you crank this open to your desired ventage, how much you want it vented. And then you tighten your nut down or whatever with your hand, and then there you go. You got a vented windshield. You got air conditioning, basically.
That's a great idea.
So we really like that. That's one of the biggest features that we liked of the windshields. They are easy to install. I would say most of them come with 4 of these clamps. So these clamps are going to be what holds it on to your cage. This Honda came with these holes right here for the manufacturer's windshield. So they went ahead and used them for mounting point on here as opposed to doing these. So had to get these in here. It was a little tight, but we were able to get it done. Fits real well up there. Goes all the way up under the roof. Overall, that's a good windshield. So we're going to take it for a spin. Go see what it's like to ride with a windshield or the full windshield. We've never done the full windshield thing. We've always been half windshield people. So we'll go roll with it, see what it's like, and go from there. All right, champ. So that was a fun little project. Basically, that's what the windshield looks like. Really liked the amount of wind it let through when you went down. You're able to open those vents up quite a bit and allow a ton of air through, which is cool. And then it blocks the wind when you don't need it. So it looks good. I love the look of the windshield, and it does a good purpose. So installation wasn't too hard. Did you have fun tonight? Mm-hmm. We at least enjoyed it a little bit. Mm-hmm. So we had a good time. Next time we'll have stuffed animals and flowers and stuff for you, so it's a little more enjoyable.
Thanks.
Just kidding. Anyway, that's it for this one, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. We like doing them, so hopefully you like what we're bringing. And then don't forget to leave any comments or questions you have down below. We'll be happy to answer them. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. And if you'd like to support us with Patreon, there's also a link with Patreon down below as well. We definitely appreciate your support there. There's some cool benefits for Patreon subscribers, and we plan to add to those benefits kind of going forward as we grow our Patreon supporter base. So with that said, that's it for this one. Ride safe, pack out what you pack in, and we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you on the next one.